Well, just got off Millwood. Got a tournament there this weekend, and went out there practice, and I smoked them. Wait till y'all see this video. It'll be the next one, I believe. Anyway, the video you're watching now is Greeson. By the time you watch this, Greeson will be on fire. I caught this video's 2 afternoons. Caught 63 the first afternoon, and then the second afternoon caught 23. All of them about the same. They were all spots. Then that final afternoon, I got tired of catching spots and went out there and flipped in one of my brush chops, and you'll see what I caught out of there. So they're definitely moving up. It was probably one of the best days I've ever had out there. Some of them were small, but that's what I was fishing for. I was fishing for the spotted bass. So anyway, y'all enjoy the video. Thank y'all. That's a better fish there. Oh, that's a big one.
I was pumped for Dustin. I like Dustin, but I was like, dude, birds, because it was just, to me, it was just that story of frustration.
That's a good one.
I know how hard you freaking work at all this shit, dude, and to see that you had a chance at 300K, but like I said, you won some money.
Look at there, son.
Yeah, it was definitely a week.
Yes, sir.
And I think it's just because there's an abundance of tournaments out there, and I think the thieves know what's up. I just do. And like I said last week, I think it's some of our own kind that do this.
That's a bigger fish. I think. Yeah, it is.
Most of the time, and I think Kurt had his rods out on the front deck, okay? It was
yeah, that's a bigger one there. Another big spot. Greason's got some big spots in it, boy.
But still shouldn't take this as crap. But every time I've ever been there, I feel safe. Don't want to say that. I never want
a little bit better spot.
just running my mouth.
There's another one. That was the next cast, too.
But hedging my bets on the happy.
Solid white fish. That muddy water changes it.
I've got a guess on just a phone call. I had this
all spots. That's what I'm going for.
When I do a phone call, I like to do it,
like these hooks.
Here's what I'm going to do.
See if I can get one next cast. It'd be 3 casts in a row. I catch one. Yep, there he was. Dadgummit.
I'm going to shut her down and start right back up.
There he is. Look at that. Is that not crazy? Kept it rolling. Another 3 casts in a row right off his point. It's so fun. These spots are small, but I mean, I've been out here an hour. This is going to be about number 18, I think. Unbelievable.
Hold on. With you saying that, now, I've never met John Gruden, but with you saying that whole thing, like, oh, we got no players, that's probably how the rumor started that he hates Derek Carr, right? Because I'd assume that he said, like, oh, our guy does this instead of this, and that's probably somebody who's never been around him who's like, oh, this is probably, that makes a lot of sense on how that got out there. When he's very emotional. He's a lot like, he's awesome on Monday Night Football.
There we go. Oh, yes, sir. Oh, my gosh. That's a good one, boy.
John is a lot like Larry Brown. They're very impulsive, and when they want to make decisions rapidly. Larry Brown was the
coach
of the Denver Nuggets in the ABA, and he was going to.
That's what I'm talking about. Barely hooked. Came right out of one of my brush tops.